tamarind upma. Let's begin with the recipe. I'm going to soak in the tamarind, jaggery, salt. I'm going to soak this in some water and take the extract of this. I'm going to roast the raw rice Sooji. I want little color on this, so few more seconds to go. Yes, this is right now. I can pour this into the bowl. To begin, a generous amount of oil, mustard. When it is crackling, I'm going to add Urad dal and Channa dal. When this is almost towards the golden, turn the flame low and then add green chilies and few curry leaves. Now both the dals are also in golden and the chilies are fried. Time to add the shallots. I'll cover it and cook for some time so that it gets cooked. When I have to do upma, I want it softer. I'm going to add in the soaked Bengal gram, little turmeric. Now I have the extract from the tamarind, salt and jaggery. I'm going to pour in 3 cups of water and this together. And allow this to boil. Now this is boiling well. Now to add the roasted Sooji. Lower the flame and close the lid. Just a little of chilli powder for the flavor. Now I'm going to add in the fresh grated coconut. Then I'm going to add in the chopped coriander. Now I can switch off the flame and close it for a few more seconds. It would be ready to serve and relish. This I'm going to serve with a fried snack. This tastes good with a fried snack. Some fresh homemade ghee. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.